Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 32 stocks including Pfizer, Thankamayil Jewelry, Albert David, Bajaj Holdings, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Elegant Marbles and Granites Industries Limited. Share is trading around rupees 245. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th July 2025. Solar Industries Limited. Solar Inns. Current market price rupees 16,995. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th July 2025. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Dr. Reddy, current market price rupees 1,337. Company announced a dividend of rupees 8 per share. 10th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, share is trading around rupees 265. Bharat Heavy Electricals announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 11th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. D-Link India Limited. D-Link India. Current market price rupees 542. D-Link India announced a dividend of 15 rupees per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th July 2025. Mahindra Logistics Limited. MALOG. Current market price rupees 339. Mahindra Logistics announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th July 2025. Roto Pumps Limited. Roto. Current market price rupees 289. Roto Pumps announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 11th July 2025. Roto Pumps Limited. Roto. Current market price rupees 289. Company announced bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Roto Pumps, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. 11th July is fixed as the record date for the bonus. Ultramarine and Pigment Limited. Current market price rupees 509. Ultramarine and Pigment announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. 16th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. GHCL Limited. GHCL share is trading around rupees 608. GHCL announced a dividend of rupees 12 per share. 17th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. PDS Limited. PDSL. Current market price rupees 401. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.7 per share. 17th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Coromandel International Limited. Coromandel. Current market price rupees 2,360. Coromandel International announced a dividend of rupees 9 per share. 17th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Thankamayil Jewelry Limited. Thankamayil. Current market price rupees 1,885. Thankamayil Jewelry also announced a dividend of rupees 12.5 per share. 21st July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Novartis India Limited. Novartint. Current market price rupees 1021. Novartis India announced a dividend of rupees 25 per share. Ex-date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 23rd July 2025. FIAM Industries Limited. FIAM Int. Current market price rupees 1872. FIAM Industries announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. 24th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Albert David Limited. Current market price rupees 855. Albert David announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 25th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Indian Metals and Ferro Alloys Limited. IMFA. Current market price rupees 782. IMFA announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. 25th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Pfizer Limited, Pfizer, current market price rupees 5,528. Pfizer announced a dividend of rupees 135 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th July 2025. Aditya Vision Limited, AVL, current market price rupees 391. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.1 per share. 8th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vaibhav Global Limited, current market price rupees 240. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. 28th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. HDFC Bank Limited, HDFC Bank, current market price rupees 1980. Company announced a dividend of rupees 22 per share. 27th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Cipla Limited, Cipla, share is trading around rupees 1510. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16 per share. 27th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Swaraj Engines Limited, current market price rupees 4140. Swaraj Engines announced a dividend of rupees 104.5 per share. Ex-date and record date fixed as 27th June 2025. RPG Life Sciences Limited, RPG Life, current market price rupees 2455. Company announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. 27th June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited, current market price rupees 13,703. Bajaj Holdings announced a dividend of rupees 28 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 27th June 2025. IPOs. HDB Financial IPO. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 700 to 740. Lot size 20 shares. IPO opens on 25th June and IPO closes on 27th June 2025. HDB Financial Services Limited. Tentative allotment date 30th June 2025. Initiation of funds 1st July. Credit of shares to Demat account 1st July 2025. Tentative listing date is fixed as 2nd July 2025. HDB Financial Services Limited. Incorporated in 2007, HDB Financial Services Limited is a retail-focused non-banking financial company. The company also offers business process outsourcing BPO services such as back office support services, collection and sales support services to our promoter, as well as fee-based products such as distribution of insurance products primarily to the lending customers. HDB Financial Services Limited omni-channel digital distribution model combines a large branch network, in-house telecalling teams, and various external distribution networks and channel partners. Business verticals. Enterprise lending. The first business vertical launched in 2008. They offer a variety of secured and unsecured loans to MSME customers as well as certain types of salaried employees primarily through their branch network. Asset finance. They offer financing options to customers for acquiring new and used commercial vehicles, construction equipment, and tractors. This is the balance sheet of HDB Financial Services Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.